In this video, we're going to be covering searching filters and labels. The search bar is here in Google, and there's a little menu for the advanced items. We can put in Ames Daily, and so that'll bring back only the items that have Ames and Daily in the search. So we'll use this to build a filter. So the first thing we can do is go to the advanced options. And so this shows that it has the words Ames Daily, and you can select doesn't have, has an attachment within a day group, subject to and from. So we can pick myself, and so if it's from Micah and it has the words Ames Daily, it'll show up. And so it still has these same ones, so that's good. We can even put in a date, but we're not going to at this point. The Ames dailies from Ames come from do not reply at ames.edu. So if we go in and look at one of these, we can see that do not reply right here in this message that I forwarded to Master Luke. So now that we've got that set up, we'll go here and we'll create a filter with this search. So when a message arrives that matches this search, we can have it skip the inbox to archive it, mark it as read, star it, apply a label, forward it, delete it, never send it to spam, always mark it as important, and never mark it as important. So the basic things. We've also got a rule down here, also apply filter to 3 matching conversations. So that means that if whatever we do to this, it'll do to the 3 that are in there and any new emails that come in. So let's go ahead and go to choose label and new label. And let's call this Ames Daily. And you can have nested labels underneath other labels, but we're not going to go into that. So we'll create that, and we have an Ames Daily label, and this automatically checks the apply label. So let's create our filter. And so now we've created our filter, and we have both Ames Daily and Daily over here. And so now we've got an Ames Daily label on this side. So let's go ahead and click on this, and we'll see the label menus, and we can add a custom color. And so that means that this will show up in green. So if we go to our inbox, we can see that in our inbox they also show up as green. We can click here for the daily, and it'll only bring us the Ames Daily. So you can use this to help organize your email. So as we go into here, we can say that we can only show these if they're unread. We can hide this label. So this label would only show up if we hadn't read everything in there. You can hide the message list. You can edit this. You can remove the label or add a sublabel. So now that we've got that set up, we can go into settings and then settings, and we have another label setting, and this we can show or hide all of these. It has many of the same options. You can create a label in here. You don't have to do it there. We can also take a look at our filters, and we can say that this one has the from micah.chartier at ames.edu and the Ames Daily. We can edit it or delete it. So, and that just brings us back into this. So that's the basics on searching filters and labels. Your labels will show up on this side. Thank you for watching.